Hello and welcome back to English Verbify. In the last video, we covered parents, children, and siblings. Today, in part 2 of our family members series, we'll dive into extended family and in-laws. These are important people in your family too, so let's learn how to talk about them. Number 1 is grandparents and grandchildren. Grandparents are the parents of your parents, and grandchildren are the children of your children. Let's learn the words. Grandfather or grandpa, your father's or mother's father. For example, my grandfather tells great stories. You can also call him grandpa. Grandmother or grandma, your father's or mother's mother. For example, my grandmother is very sweet. You can also say grandma. Granddaughter, a granddaughter is your son's or daughter's daughter. For example, she is their granddaughter. Grandson. A grandson is your son's or daughter's son. For example, he is their grandson. Number 2 is extended family. These are other important family members. Aunt is your parent's sister. Uncle is your parent's brother. Cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. Niece is the daughter of your brother or sister. And nephew is the son of your brother or sister. And finally, number 3 is in-laws. In-laws are family members related to you by marriage. Here are the words. Husband is a woman's male spouse. Wife is a man's female spouse. Mother-in-law is your husband's or wife's mother. Father-in-law is your husband's or wife's father. Son-in-law is your daughter's husband. Daughter-in-law is your son's wife. Brother-in-law is your spouse's brother or your sibling's husband. Sister-in-law is your spouse's sister or your sibling's wife. You're doing amazing. Now that you know all about extended family and in-laws, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more useful English learning videos. And also, be sure to join me in part 3, where we'll teach you another set of words to continue the topic of family members. I'll see you there. Keep smiling and learning.